Okay, so far we've done rectangular prisms, finding the surface area, and we found the surface area of a triangular prism. Now we're going to move into pyramids. And there are two kinds of pyramids. One that has a base that is a rectangle or a square, has 4 sides, and one that is a triangle, has 3 sides. So you always want to find the base first. When you're doing surface area of a pyramid, you find the base. And so I'm looking at this one and I see a line there, line there, line there, and line there. So it sits on a base with 4 sides. And the way you find the area of the base is it is length times height, or length times width, or base times height. But you just take the two of the sides that are next to each other and you multiply them together. So 12 times 12, and that equals 144. So I'm going to put that to the side here, 144. Now, the cool thing about a pyramid is once you see how many sides the base has, that's also going to be how many sides it has. So because there's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then there will be 4 triangles that all come together, and all 4 of them will be the same area. So I'm going to do this in a different color, blue. So I see that I have one triangle like this. That's one of my sides. So all I could do is find the area of that triangle and then times it by 4. So area of the triangle is the base times the height divided by 2. So it's 12 times 15 divided by 2. And let's do that. Get my little handy dandy calculator out here. And we have 12 times 15 equals 180 divided by 2. And that gets me 90. So one of the triangles is 90, but we have 4. So we do 90 times 4, and that gets me 360 for all 4 sides. And the base is 144. So now let's add those up. 144 plus 360. That gets me a grand total of 500 and, oh, I don't like that 5. 540, and it's yards, and because it's surface area, it's squared. Okay. And it's not 540. I'm just looking at my math right now. It's 504 yards squared. I made a mistake in my addition of these two. Okay, so the surface area of this pyramid is 504 yards square. So that is a pyramid that has a, this one's actually a square base, or it has 4 sides. So, all right, now there could be a base that is a triangle. And let's look at that one. All right, so here is this one. And I want to find the triangle base first. So it's this, this, and this. That's what it sits on. So I'm just looking at that triangle, and I know that the triangle is base times height divided by 2. So it's a base of 7 times a height of 6.1, and then divide that by 2. So let's do it. 7 times 6.1 equals 42.7. Divide that by 2. Divide that by 2, you get 21.35. So I'm going to put that over here, 2135. That's the base, the triangle base it sits on. Now, because it's a triangle, it has 1, 2, 3 sides. And so if we find one of the sides, we can times it by 3. Okay, so looking at this one, this little triangle over here, here's the height of it, which is 10, and the base is 7. So it's 10 times 7 divided by 2. And that is 70 divided by 2, which is 35. Now, because we have 3 here, we're going to do 35 times 3. Let's see, 15, 9, 10, 105. 105. So 105 is the 3 sides, 2135 is the base. And let's total up those together. We get 126.35. It's centimeters, and it's squared. And I would say that is my answer. And that's how you would solve the surface area of a pyramid that is has a base of 4 sides, and also how you solve a pyramid surface area with a triangle as its base. Okay? All right, let me know if you have any questions.